Okay, so the uncertainty which is there for his untimely demise, I had to speak to the cards. So the cards are saying yes. Okay, the first card which I took is for Karan Johar. Okay, the card came reverse, which is betrayal. It basically speaks, but I'll read it out. What the card says: the outcome of your problem is uncertain and maybe make you happy. This card also represents a loss of nerve, indecision, weakness, inability to adapt to change, and a retreat with stereotype typical thinking. Others take the advantage of you putting work above your own needs will hurt you in long run. Yes, Dharma Productions is a yes. Second card is for Salman Khan. The answer is 50-50. He is not directly involved, but indirectly he is involved. For Salman Khan, the card is number Two of Pentacles, which is great change in store, and an important message or documentarized research. So for Salman Khan, it would be 50-50. He is like, he was aware, but he was not part of the whole group. He was not part of the whole community who was throwing him, Sushant, out from the Bollywood industry. Dharma Production, yes. Now let's talk about Yash Raj Films. The answer is yes. Because they were more concerned about the money, they were concerned about the authority, they were concerned about large sum of money, possessiveness, selfishness. They try to keep the money to yourself. They try to act foolish. They try to become very leader kind of thing by controlling others' actions and situation. Resistance to change. Contract is signed, but after that it was discontinued. That happened with Pani, for which he spent 2 years of his precious time. And he left Bajirao Mastani, he left Padmavat, he left one more film, Ram Leela. Okay, with that. Now, what happened with the girlfriends? The love life also card came reverse. So three people are responsible. One is love, one is money minded people, and other one is Dharma Productions. Dharma Productions, Yash Raj Films, and the girls in his life did that. Salman Khan was aware of it, but he was a mute spectator. Okay, the thing is this: what the girls did to him: controlling, overbearing, quick to anger, interpersonal skills at work, judgmental, intolerant to others, lifestyles, opinions, ignorant, closed to new ideas, preference to maintain the status quo. They were more concerned about the status thing. They were more concerned about what the people will say and think about them. A person create personal conflicts and unhappiness for them. Now, what he did was the tower moment. Okay, because of this, he did take a decision. He took a tower moment. It's like hanging. Now, what he is doing? What he is doing right now? Right now, he is with his memories. He is with the memories okay. He is with the memories that he wants to rejuvenate. He wants to think. He wants to concentrate on the pleasant and happy memories, and if he'll do that, the soul will have this. Soul will have dreams and plans fulfilled, victory, arrogance, financial rewards, hard work, travel, triumph. So basically, who drove Sushant Singh Rajput to death, to untimely death, is Dharma Production, Yash Raj Films. People like his friends, like people like Salman Khan, and people like Salman Khan is just an example. It could be a lot of people who knew, but they were not acting, and the girlfriends. So three people will come into picture. One will be the girlfriend, other person will be Dharma Productions and Yash Raj Films, who lost the faith. He lost 7 movies. It's not about money, it's about the faith which he lost in the humanity. So be human, be human. By launching a being human community and by launching a being human brand will not serve the purpose. Serve the purpose by being human from inside. With that, I'll put this video on the social media. Obviously, it's on Facebook. I'll tag other people in there and let the victory which he's asking for come. And he's already in peace. I did talk to the soul. I did talk to the soul healing. I know that his soul was already gone from last 4 months. It was just the body which was just thrashing it back into the force. Whenever soul try to leave the body, It is the ignorance which comes for the first time. It's the attachment goes to detachment. The person starts speaking about the astral realms. Person starts speaking about the stars. So it is important to not talk about the stars, talk about the earth realm, because you are lovely living beings. So love your body, talk about soul in spirituality, but with your body. With that, thank you so much for watching and keep sharing, keep caring. Arvind Kumar Kohar from Sai Holistic Healings by AK. Take care. Rest in peace, Sushant, and you are already in peace.